What's going on, YouTubers? Troy here with yet another Hyper Tough review. This will be my third review. I've also done reviews on the weed eater and the chainsaw. Both pretty good tools, really. This one, unfortunately, I didn't get at a discount. Now the other two I picked up because they were on clearance, and this one was not. But I am in desperate need of a pole saw because we are moving that building over there. We're moving next door. And yes, that's the Kennel Build building that on YouTube here. And we got about a quarter-mile driveway that has trees hanging over it, and I got to do some trimming today. And so that's why I picked this up. So let's pop this baby open and see what we got here. I'm sure somebody will ask about the knife. That's a Wallace Knife Works knife. He's here on YouTube. He hand makes these down in Florida. Go to Wallace Knife Works. They are quality knives, very nice, very sharp. Strap. Charger. The weed eater review that was 3 years ago, and it's still going strong. The battery's still working. All right, looks like I gotta put the chain on too. It does have a separate chain install guide, so that's handy. I don't have to get the hook out and go looking through that. So let's take this cover off, get the bar out. All the old quick start guides. You gotta love the quick start. The new battery needs charge, but I've got the battery from the chainsaw I have. Fits right in there. So we're ready to add some oil. Try this baby out. Now if this is like the chainsaw, it doesn't hold much oil at all. I overflowed it. In fact, I overflow it about every time. Of course, I do it again. Man, that is a small reservoir. Well, let's see if this baby will fire up. Sounds pretty good. It doesn't look like a bad carrier. Let's try it out. think I'll start out with some pretty low cuts. See, the chain is really loosened up on me, so that's something we'll have to watch. So now I've got it fully extended. We'll see how she does. It's a little top heavy. One thing on these, same with the chainsaw, is this. It's got a real small reservoir for the bar oil, so I'd keep an eye on that. I've got a Poland pole saw, and I went out to get it, and I had left gas in it, and that thing, all the gas lines were rotted. I guess it had been years since I used that thing. Unless you're a small engine mechanic, I say go battery. Next! Looks like we got some walnuts on this one. Am I entertaining you, Stormy? Huh? Do you find this entertaining, watching someone else work? You old fat girl. You old fat girl. Ugh. I like the little built-in grabber too. These aren't huge trees, but they're not tiny little branches either. It's not something you'd want to use a handsaw on, I don't think. That was the biggest one yet, and that was walnut. And it's full of walnuts. Perfect for juggling. Hey, I can't do it with gloves. Well, I got an old gum tree. I don't know if the building will make it under that, so. Well, if the old Hyper Tough will cut that, I'd say she good. Well, there you go, guys. I think if it'll cut right through that, it's going to do anything I want it to. Hopefully it'll last as long as my other Hyper Tough tools, but for now I got to give this thing 2 thumbs up. There you go. She'll get the job done. Well, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later. I'm gonna go finish this driveway.